Problem 10. The second term of some AP containing only whole numbers is 2, and the sum of the squares of the third and fourth term is less than 4. Find the first term. Here, the solution I would like to write down here. Now given, what are the given things here in this problem? Terms of AP, arithmetic progression, are whole numbers. Means all the terms of the AP either positive whole number or negative whole number, just whole numbers only. And the second one, given thing is A2 is equal to 2. And the third one, square of the third term is a square plus square of the fourth term is less than 4. With these given facts, we have to find out the A1 first term. Now, A3 equal to A2 plus D, because AN equal to AN minus 1 plus D. By using this relation, we can write down A2 is equal to A3 is equal to A2 plus D, and that equal to A2 is given, that is 2 plus D, 2 plus D, and A4 equal to A3 plus D. Here A3 is equal to 2 plus D, which I can write down 2 plus D. Plus D means 2 plus 2D. Now, by the condition given in third condition, A3 square plus A4 square is equal to 2 plus D whole square plus 2 plus 2D whole square is less than 4. And this implies that 4 plus 4D plus D square plus 4 plus 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8D plus 4D square is less than 4. And this implies 5D square plus 12D plus this is 4 less than plus 12 plus 8 is less than 4, and this implies 5D square plus this is D plus 12D plus 4 is less than 0. Let me call this is equation 1. Now we can take the left hand side here. This implies considering 5D square plus 12D plus 4 equal to 0. A quadratic equation, let me consider now. Now, solving this equation, we get d is equal to minus 12 plus or minus square root of 12 square minus 4 into c is a 4 into c is a 4 into a, that is 5, divided by 2 into 5, that is minus 12 plus or minus square root of 144 minus 80 divided by 10, and that equal to, what is that, minus 12 plus or minus 144 minus 80 means square root of 64 divided by 10, that equal to minus 12 plus or minus 8 divided by 10, and this implies d is equal to minus 12 minus 8 divided by 10, and that equal to minus 20 by 10 equal to minus 2, and d is equal to r. D is equal to minus 12 plus 8 by 10 is equal to minus 4 by 10 equal to minus 0.4. Now, to satisfy the equation 1, and what is that? This equation. Now we can see here therefore the value of d is satisfying the inequality. One must lie between, must strictly, in fact, strictly lie between minus 2 and minus 0.4. That is, d is less than minus 0.4 and greater than minus 2. But AP contains only whole numbers. Therefore, then D must be must be a whole number. But only whole, but only whole number between -2 and -0.4 is -1, and therefore D must be -1. Now we have to find out, we have got the common difference. Therefore, A2 is equal to A1 plus D, that is equal to, that implies A2 is given 2, and this equal to A1 plus of -1, and implies that A1 must be, you can take this -1 to the left hand side, so A1 must be 3. This is our answer. But we can input, of course, they have not asked all the terms of AP, but we can write down with the help of this A2 common difference and first term. It is very easy to write down. The AP is 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, so on and so forth. So AP consists of only whole number, and A1 is equal to 3 with the given all conditions. We have got the solution A1 is equal to 3 only.